Hello and welcome to another episode of my E39. It's part 2. As you remember from the last time when I showed the car, I was going through the issues I don't like and which needs to be fixed. In my head I was doing like the priority list for myself, from like most important things to non-important at all. The first issue, which is the biggest for me at the moment, is these headlights. And because we have winter time and after like 4 p.m. it's getting so dark and it's really terrifying to drive and also dangerous because you don't see the pedestrians maybe walking side of the road, and that's why I need to upgrade the headlights first. Otherwise it's basically like driving eyes closed or using candles instead of headlights. But yeah, because it's 2002 and I'm pretty sure that no one has ever upgraded them or fixed them, and there's probably all the projectors, all the reflectors, everything are already like faded and they don't reflect the light as they should be. Also the xenon bulbs are probably I don't know how old. So this is the first project of the day. Headlights off, lenses off. You know, anyone who has done the E39 headlights, they know how to do it. But yep, there's nothing more to talk about the headlights. I'm just gonna start ripping it apart. So here are the parts. butyl tape, new adjusters, fog lights, made in China, low beam rubber covers. I just bought them new. They weren't expensive, and I want to be sure that no moist or no water gets inside of the headlights. New lenses. I don't know why, but I like the yellow indicators, so I bought the lenses with the yellow indicators. These are made company called TYC. I don't know. I'm pretty sure that they are as good as the AliExpress or Chinese ones, so I'm going with these. Then I have the rear lights with yellow indicators. Oh, actually, I was noticing after I made the last video that the rear lights were full of cracks everywhere, so I'm gonna replace these as well. But first, the headlights. Most important thing. Osram Classic xenon bulbs. Actually, I did some research, and I don't remember the name of the guy, but he was comparing 4 different Osram xenon bulbs: classic, original, some laser thing, and then the cool blue. The price, the classic ones is the most cheapest ones, about 20 something euros a piece, and the most expensive ones was the laser, but the light intensity was only 3% more than the classic, but the price is more than a double, so 20 euros a piece compared to 48 or 49 euros a piece, and you get only 3% better lighting. So no, I'm gonna go with the classic. And I think I bought these back in the day when I had the E39 in the past years ago, and I also used the classic ones, and I don't complain. If you got new projectors. Ooh, wait a second. Funny thing is, I almost finished the video, but then I realized I forgot the projectors. So this is the company, Sinolin, something like that, made in you know where, I don't have to mention that. And these are 3-inch projectors. They should fit like without a problem. These are the parts I'm gonna replacing today. Let's see what happens. I have no idea. I'm really concerned about headlight glue. If I'm gonna get the lenses off without a big fight, or I have to start cutting them like here and you know just pull piece by piece, and that's gonna take like a hell of a lot of time. So let's go. Woo. Yeah, adjusters are broken. Actually, I did forgot few parts to order, but these are easy to replace later. This gasket, or how you call it, that's, yep. The other one is okay in one piece. Now it's broken as well. So yeah, I need to order these. And also I couldn't find the lower trim of the headlight, because there's has to be some small tabs and they go behind the fender, and those tabs are both broken, so I have to install them back like this. But once I'm gonna find a new trim, I'm gonna paint them and replace them, and maybe I can find the same color so I don't have to paint them, so we will see. But yeah, let's take them apart. Then the adjuster motor. Oh, these are actually in one piece, no holes, nothing. Basically I could use them. I'm just gonna put them aside. Maybe one day I'm gonna need them. Those are trash. That's bad because I forgot to buy the indicator bulbs. God damn it. Always forget something. Everything which, oh, didn't notice that it's broken. But okay, it will hold, so no problemo. I think it's gonna take like forever. I have a better solution. So, sorry about the noise, but this is my solution. I have a diesel heater, leave the headlight here, and hopefully it will be warm enough to get the lens off. We will see, or it will melt, and that's bad. Meantime, I'm gonna take the other one apart. The lens is off, but I already know what I broke. I'm gonna show you. I hope I can glue it back. Angel eye thingy broke. I'll see what I can do to fix it. I hope it's possible, otherwise I'm screwed. I won. Nice. Now the most fun part, to clean it all up. This one is okay. I need to clean it all so I can install all the lenses, everything, put back them on the car and see how they perform compared to the previous lights. Let's see what happens when you just heat it up. Does it make any difference? Yeah, I would say it does. Oh shit. I'm gonna do that off camera because it's gonna take a lot of time. I'm gonna show you later when they are cleaned. Both grooves are cleaned. I'm happy with the result. I think this is good enough. I'm not gonna get it like super clean, that's for sure. Took me total, I don't know, maybe an hour. So not bad. So I'm gonna put these aside. We don't need these at the moment. And let's focus on the projectors. Oh, it's stuck. Gotcha. Let's replace the adjusters. I should have bought these too, but I forgot. I really hope they don't break. Okay, at least I have new adjusters. Good. Oh shit, don't do that. Actually, I'm gonna try one thing. I'm gonna replace the H7s with the LED ones. Do they work? Or we're gonna see some explosion. Looks a bit better, don't you think? This is like ridiculous. Like, wow, I'm so happy. Finally, I can find my way back home. Of course, I need to adjust them, but I'm super happy with the result. Bright like a day. Needs some adjustments, but you have the comparison with the previous lights. You can see the sharp lines. Okay, I have to adjust them and everything else, but overall you can see the difference. Sorry about the mess on the table. Everything is like it should be. I'm gonna clean them. Yeah, unfortunately I don't have compressed air, so it's so freaking sticky. I think should be okay. Please don't break, please don't break. Look, like new. Well, they are actually new. Moment of truth. Come on. First one done. Give me back my glove. Few more passes. And ready. Oh man. Shit, fuck, bitch. What do you think? Where these are from? God damn it. Will it come off? And both. I forgot both of them. Well, shit happens. Yeah. my god. Nice job. Come on. Let's try that again. Now I have everything installed. I don't want to do that third time. Trust me. I didn't want to do it second time either, but when you fuck up, then you fuck up. Lens back. Oh, son of a bitch. Unfortunately, this is the first one. One more. I have to remove the lens and then put it back. Why I always have to find out the hard way. You're probably wondering why I'm taking them apart again. Well, I forgot these. Nice job. Nice fucking job. I know people like when things don't go like they're supposed to. And they like to see failures. And that's what I just did. I failed for the first time. Oh, come on. Finally, after many hours of fighting. Headlights should be adjusted, but to make sure I'm gonna go and see the inspection office and they will align them perfectly, but at the moment I think they are okay, but we will see. Does someone give me the high beams or not while driving home? They look like perfect. I'm really happy with the result. Really happy. Something finally ended well. That's all, folks, for today. Some other fixing issues I will do next time when I'm not sure. Finally the headlights are done, but yeah, it's been a long day. It's 8 p.m. I didn't think that it's gonna take so long. I hope you enjoyed the video, all my cursing, all my mess ups, but the result is most important. So thank you again, and I hope I see you soon. Take care and ciao ciao.